The 5-axis turning and milling center delivers multi-process efficiency and superior parts accuracy, easily handling medium to large components. Its special structural design allows for increased turning diameter, enabling the machining of larger workpieces, while the high-rigidity moving column structure ensures stable, high-precision operations. With a maximum rotating diameter of phi 730 millimeters, machining diameter of phi 630 millimeters, and machining height of 675 millimeters, the machine completes complex workpieces in a single setup, enhancing production efficiency. Integrated cooling systems for both axes and the spindle reduce thermal displacement, ensuring consistent accuracy during long cycles. Advanced 5-axis control enables precise machining of multi-surface, inclined, and complex contours, while integrated cooling ensures stable accuracy during long production cycles. Power, precision, and versatility come together in the machine to tackle modern complex machining challenges.